Alrighty, what do we got? Oh boy, we got a few goodies that I did not order or pay for. So welcome back, and today we're going to have a look at another lot of Paydirt. So this package is from Digger's Mate Prospecting. And Dave from Digger's Mate, he's the real deal. Dave is a former veteran. He has a disability. I'm all for supporting veteran businesses. All right, what do we got? Oh, geez, it keeps coming. Digger's Mate. Good on you, Dave. Little bottle opener key ring. Mate, he sent me half the shop. Good on you, Dave. It's getting so expensive now to get out on the creek, to go and find your own gold. The price of petrol, the price of diesel has just gone absolutely ballistic thanks to all the uncertainties in the world. So all of a sudden, buying Paydirt seems like a fairly attractive option. And if it's going to cost you $100 just to get out on the creek and find some gold, then perhaps you could spend that money investing in someone's business and get it shipped to your door. Now, I'm the first to admit that sitting and panning in your backyard is not the same as hitting the creek. There are so many mental health benefits, physical health benefits from just being out in the great outdoors, getting your feet wet, putting a shovel in the dirt, that will never be replaced by panning Paydirt at home. All I'm saying is that the economics, all of a sudden, have just shifted on this stuff. So maybe don't rule it out. And this is what we came for. Guaranteed gold Paydirt bag. Okay, each bag guaranteed to contain a minimum 0.3 of added gold, plus a hidden surprise for a bit of extra excitement. There's a fair bit of material in there. Oh, this is going to be good. At least the guaranteed gold, chance of extra gold, and possible gems including sapphires, zircons, garnets, amethysts, and other unique stones. Well, I do like a little bit of extra candy in my pans, so whoa, let's crack on. Safety tips. Look, we certainly won't make light of this because, yeah, they're important steps that we perhaps sometimes just take for granted. I reckon we'll give this one a strain. Looks like it could be worth checking all the material. Whoa, some really fine material, look at that. It's going to be a fair bit of black sand, I think. Now, I put too much material in there, no one to blame but myself, so I'm just going to transfer to a larger pan so I make sure that I don't lose any of the goodness. Okay, first lot of material, some nice gold in there. Go easy on it for this second lot. Now, Digger's Mate don't just sell Paydirt. Dave's getting into all sorts of things, sluices, little mini high bankers, pans, all sorts of prospecting supplies. It's a tough market to crack into, and it's a particularly volatile time in the gold market to try and crack into this business, but certainly hope he does well. A timely reminder that I always pay for my own paydirts whenever I do these unboxing reviews, pan-outs, whatever you like to call them. It comes out of my pocket, so I have paid for this. I'm really just going through this process to show you what it would be like if you ordered from this guy as well. Because as history has shown, there have been some interesting characters out there trying to profit from record gold prices, and I like to put all of them to the test. Okay, so we saw the goodies earlier, but how's this for a goodie in my pan that I really wasn't expecting? All the more reason why you need to go through the Plus Kitchen strainer stuff well, because yes, there are some gold flakes in there, and you don't want to toss them out. Have a look at all the other goodies that came out of that bag. Very nice. That's a pretty good bonus on top of the gold. So Dave guarantees 0.3 of a gram in this bag. Let's see how we did.